Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from PeopleWhiz. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. At PeopleWhiz.com, scroll down the page and click on Do Not Sell My Personal Information. Scroll down all the way to the bottom of the homepage, find the Remove My Info link, and click it. On the Remove My Info page, click the Here link to search for your PeopleWhiz profile and begin your opt-out. Don't forget to enter your first and last name, the city and state where you live, into the search fields before clicking Search Now. Click on the That's Me button located nearby your located record. In the next window that opens, enter your email address and click Next. You will then receive an email from PeopleWhiz containing an opt-out confirmation link. Select your preferred way to send your identification from the choices, complete the security CAPTCHA, and click Next. Selecting Mail Copy of ID and clicking Next in Step 6 will display mailing instructions. Meanwhile, keep an eye on your email from PeopleWhiz.com. When it arrives, open it and click the Confirm Opt-out link inside. After you click the confirmation link in the PeopleWhiz email, you'll get confirmation that your opt-out request went through. Once your proof of identification has been received, your info will be taken off their website. Congratulations on opting out of PeopleWhiz. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.